Here's a cool street rod just came in to Unique Specialty and Classics. 1947 Chevrolet Sedan delivery. Like I said, street rod. This one's powered by a 350 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 350 automatic transmission. Does have power steering, power brakes, also disc brakes up front. Aluminum radiator underneath the hood as well as headers. The nice thing about this vehicle is the majority of it, the work has been done on it. There's a little left, but the powertrain has been done, the underside. It's got the interior that is left to be finished, but very nice paint on it. As you can see, the paint has a nice luster to it. Does not appear to be that old of a paint job, kind of a navy blue or indigo blue lower, along with kind of a cream to slightly yellow top half. Nice red and green pinstripe breaking it up down in between. Let me come up on it, give you a little bit better idea. There you can kind of see the red and green set it off. Just a nice look in a street rod. Riding on American racing wheels, polished aluminum ones. If you'd like to check out the undersides, check out underneath there. You can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions you may have on this vehicle. 507-386-1726. As you know, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you the dash and everything finished off nicely. Got the wood trim dash. Does have some aftermarket gauges. See a chrome tilt column in there. Automatic in the column. Cloth buckets. Does have power seat. Power seat's hooked up on the driver's side. Works well. And then as you can see, the soundproofing's already put in. Just needs the inside. Door cards, some carpeting, headliner, and, oops, it's going to get a little dark on me there. Does need the headliner, and then carpeting or flooring in the back. The kind of the wood subfloor, if you will, is already put down. Just need to be finished off on the top of that, and then the sides of it in the rear. So you can see there's not a lot to finish on this one to really make it. Watch how nicely that door closes. Yes, it fits well. Again, 1947 Chevrolet Sedan delivery, little street rod. Rear door handle has been shaved. There is just a mechanical pull right underneath here. Under the passenger side, just pull it down, clicks, you can open it up. Unfortunately, holding this camera with one hand and trying to open the door with the other, not going to quite work. What I'll do is when I start up the engine and open the hood, I'll open the rear and we'll come around and take a look at that too when we take a look at the engine. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or give us a call, 507-386-1726. One thing that we see a lot of people do is up in here, lots of times they'll put advertising for their business. We've seen people buy some vehicles like this. Check with your tax man. Maybe it's even a tax deductible investment. But yeah, you can kind of put a business name on there or just customize it to your own. See that quite a bit in the business here, what we've sold in the past. Very cool looking street rod. Let's go ahead and check out the driver's side here. Like I said, tilt column. You can see all recent aftermarket gauges, but the dash is finished off very nicely. And again, window trim and everything. Just needs the door cards, carpeting, headliner, and then that rear. Like I said, check this out. Even the power seat, everything's all hooked up on it. All that stuff's been done. Just take a little TLC, a little time this winter, finish it up, make it the way you like it. Again, watch how the door closes. Nice fit, closes nicely. I'm going to go ahead and pause this, pop that hood. I'm going to open the rear too so you can get a look at that, have an idea that it won't take a whole lot to finish. All the good stuff's been done. All right, here the hood's popped. I noticed when I went to pop it in the beginning of the video, you're going to see the hood on its first latch clicked open. So check out those still pictures, and you'll see the still pictures with the hood all the way shut. Fits a little snugger than it did in the beginning of this video. There you go, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock carb, chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover. There's your headers, power brakes, power steering. See, nice and tidy underneath there. HEI ignition. Like I said, the tough stuff's been done on this one. Just do a little of the cosmetic finishing on the inside. See how nice and clean it's painted up underneath there on the cowl. 350 with the turbo 350 tranny automatic behind it. Pusher electric fan. Let's go ahead and go around to the back here. Show you what needs to be finished off back here. Great looking color too, with that green and red pinstripe down it. Again, sound deadening in the rear door. And then here's kind of what I was mentioning by the subfloor, if you will, is put in there. A spot for the spare or storage underneath in the rear. Has been kind of painted on the inside, or some kind of sides put up on there. You can make it fancier if you want it, but there's where you can see it need the headliner. Very little left to do on this one. Like I said, give us a call. Again, fits very nicely, closes easily. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And in those still pictures, check out how the hood fits and the pictures of the front. When I started this video, it was cracked open. I hadn't put it past the second latch, so check those still pictures out. And of course, financing's available. We do consider trades, and we can sure assist with transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call, 1947 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery Street Rod. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up so you can hear it run. This thing's got a nice little rumble to it. Want to make sure you've seen the engine bay while I was running and hear this Sedan Delivery. All right, there we go. How smooth that engine sits in there. Nice little rumble out of that exhaust. We'll slip around to the back in a second. I don't want you to think there's anything wrong with it. Why I wouldn't start it and let it run. Nice, smooth running vehicle. Previous owner of this vehicle wasn't afraid to get in it, take it to local car shows, roll-ins, all for a little fun. Flip around here. Nice little rumble out of it. So there you go. Splice this on to the end of that original video, and you can hear the 47 Sedan Delivery Street Rod fired up. Give us a call.